Good morning. Good morning. Pretty big move overnight here. 300. No, wait. Yeah, 330 point move overnight. It's crazy. Pretty big move overnight. Kind of a nice little gap up right there. 27 points. What up, Treff? Good morning. Oh, good morning, Robert. We are on. Good morning, Predator. We're running on fumes today, guys. We no sleep good last night. No sleep good. So very tired. All right, let's check out the news. Savaga, Take Profit Tom. How's it going? Take Profit Tom. You never sent me your Cash App or your PayPal. Your PayPal. PayPal. Your PayPal. For your money. He was up till 3 a.m. Yeah. What up, Alyssa? Good morning. What are we doing today? Do we have any news? I haven't even looked yet. Let me see. No. No news Tuesday, pretty much. William speaks at 2:20. That's it. Take Profit Traders slow to update. Yeah, they are. Indeed, they are. You got up at 3 a.m., bed at 11. That's not unusual. You crazy, Treff. Where are you located, Treff? Are you in the U.S.? 11 to 3, 4 hours. That's not me, brother. I need 8 hours of sleep to operate. Anything less than 8 hours is no bueno for me. I'm not pleasant to be around if it's less than 8 hours. You're in Colorado? Goodness. Nice try, wise guy. What up? All right, what do we expect here? Let's kind of look at the higher time frames. We have sell side sitting down there at 248. I kind of expect us to run through that. That's relative equal lows on the 4 hour there. Maybe we push back up into the 700 by the end of the day. It's kind of 50% of yesterday's in the overnight range. So I don't know. I don't know, coming into the day bearish with maybe the expectation of some sort of pushback up. But overall bearish. Good morning, Francis. You know. I mean, if we do inverse the 1 minute here, that gap's 27 points. Kind of had a decent little bounce off the 50 there. I might take this on an eval here. Let's see. The 5 minute did not close below. This 30-second has not closed below. The 1 minute is about to in 38 seconds. The 30-second is about to now. So there's the 30-second close. Do I dare take it off the 30-second? Or we'll wait till the 1 minute closes below. Maybe we'll take it. What up, Pine Tree? Yuri in the house. Jay, how's it going? One out of 50 trades was under 10 seconds. What? Is that right, Francis? That's insane. All right, I'm in here. I'm going to target the 248. Probably just target 250. I actually don't even know if I need that much. What do we need? 50 points is $1,000. So what, 75? So 340. That'd be 40 at 300. 70 would be 70. So 65. So targeting 65. We'll see how that works. On an eval. That is crazy. So they have a hard rule on a 10-second minimum trade. That seems a bit extreme. Good morning, Coach Fred. How's it going, John? I hate weeks. Good morning. Tech T in the house. That didn't make much sense to me. So we got 8 minutes till open. I'm kind of expecting us just to push lower. I mean, maybe we don't. We inverse this 1 minute. We inverse the 30-second. We inverse the 2 minute. The 5 minute still has 2 minutes and 25 seconds left on the clock for it to close below. I'm in short on an eval. So targeting 265 because that's what I need to pass. I do think 248 gets ran into probably rather quickly. We'll see. We shall see. So got about 2 minutes here. We'll see what happens. Just on one of those day trader evals. We did pass two. Oh. We did pass 2 Tradeify 50Ks. So I've got those linked together. Obviously they're on Tradeivate. So I'll be trading those over here on this Tradeivate setup. Trump speaks tonight. Do you know what time that is, Black Beauty? I think he spoke last night too, didn't he? I don't know. Well, this thing's pushing higher. Don't love that. Might get wrecked on this eval. It is what it is. 8 o'clock. Oh, okay. All right, just killed that. Down $500 on that eval. Wow. Huh. That was an interesting 925 candle. Does that give us any information? I don't know. Good morning, Andy. There she goes. Yeah. I jumped back in. Did leave equal highs up there at the 68, so. To figure out 08. All right. Bride of Murder Bot Candle, yeah. Danger. Yeah, it could be. Is that an indication of what's going to happen at open? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, we'll see what happens at open. We got about 2-3 minutes. Let's look at Mancini information when we get a second. Wow. That is not down. That is some wild volatility before open here. What in the world is going on here? That's some wild volatility. All right, Mancini says 70, 80, 58, 57 must reclaim to squeeze. 58.14, 57.98 on the way down if ES wants it. Twitter fingers must be on the loose. Yeah, something. 1 hour candle setting up to be bullish. Yeah, we'll see. Good morning, Phoenix. I think we dump here at open. I think we just run right into the 50. That's my lean. That's my lean. I got a minute and 40 seconds here until open. Kind of like to see the price be back down into 310 before open. Like us to get through the 310s. We'll see though. Our 3 candle setup is basic. Yeah. I mean, longing out of here is not a bad idea. You was in long and they got dumped on with that pump. Good morning, Edward. Really would like to see it down in that 310 area. I'd like this to push lower here for before the open candle comes, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. $30 still open. Looking like it wants to sweep that 400 level, maybe. I don't know. It's possible. We're going to see what happens here at open. It's kind of what I'm leading. What up, Curd? You don't feel like trading me either. Edward, how's it going? Good morning, Marson. Good morning, Dean. 3, 2, 1. Open. Data latency. All right, I got to stop break even. We hit the 310s. That was my break even spot. So. You've had a lot of data latency. Yeah, me too. I really have. On Bulenox. Yeah, I don't know if I've noticed which platform it's been or which prop, but ES is already at the low there. And we're going to have a pretty big bullish SMT here if ES sweeps the low at 58.12. Didn't quite get there yet. So maybe we push back up into the 90 here, cover this wick up. We'll see. The Apex sale ends tonight, tin can, midnight Eastern. Apex 80% off will end tonight. Ends tonight. So if you want to pick up those Apex accounts, tonight is the night to do it. All right, I'm going to enter short here on the eval right about now. We're going to target that 250 area and see how it goes. I think it just goes now. Kind of feels like it should. Through the 90s there, it should just go. So targeting the 50. We are in two Connies here. All right, stop me out. That's all right. Can't, intraday trailing, you can't not lock in profits there. At some point, Kurt, I think someone said 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. So swap the low there. I wasn't even looking. That's where we bounced. Does it run back through the 50? I don't know. Not so far. 320s. Push back up. Just a baby sweep of the low there. Yeah, we'll see, Jan. I don't know. Back below 90 here. I'm going to jump back in, I think. I think we get the next push lower below 90. On an eval here. So far holding up there, not really pushing back below 90 yet. I think the next elevator down into the 48s down there comes below 90. Just an eval play for me. Not doing anything here, really, just waiting. It's not giving us the opportunity. Again, kind of want to see it get below 90 there. If it gets below 90, we'll jump in, but if not, we'll sit out. Look like it wants to run that wick at 64. Maybe even up to the 80s. Yes, back above the 14s here. Interesting. There's that wick ran into the 80s. Manipulation. VWAPI. I mean, if we pop the 408s here, it looks like we run pretty quickly. We'll have room to run there. Just a 100-point candle, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Trev, true. I just thought we were so close to that sell side. But, you know, this is what the market's been doing lately, right? It's been really just like manipulative and not going to the exact targets. So trying to target certain areas has not been working as well. I think we still go here. Seems like we still go. Just waiting to see what we get. You took a long there, 40 points. Let's go. Listen, a micro is plenty, Trev, in this volatility, right? It really is. Micro is plenty. Oh, goodness. Says Max. Nice little pullback there. Kind of feel like we should kind of hold this area here, but let's see. What was the other eval I'm supposed to be trading? There's one more. 06. All right. Let's take and do this while we can. Run. Boom. All right, good to go. 2 micros. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with the 2 mics, for sure. Push back up into the VWAP there. Pulling back now. This could be an interesting short spot. Man, such a big gap though. Gosh. I like it, but that's such a big gap. That is a pretty big rejection there. Push back up. Any word? Madness. Yeah. What a ride this morning. You're back in the green. Let's go. All right, let's see if this candle closes. I like the setup. The problem is the stop's huge. So 15 points. I mean, I don't know that I can do anything with that. I am in over here on the My Funded Futures account. I know this is going to go, so I'm trying not to get stopped out on it. Holy cow. What was that? Got some data latency there too. Did you guys see that? Annoying. Wow. I guess I should have just taken some points there. We took a 13-point loss after being up 30 points. Goodness. Kind of annoying. Oh well, that's crazy. Did I update Gone Tower? It is updated. It is updated. ES did tap that 98 level. I wasn't looking. That was the next level down, so. I was kind of watching here. Keeping an eye on the 30-second. This thing is just going all over the place right now. Really need this thing to kind of turn around and rip lower now. Let's see. Wow. Wow. This thing's insane. Heading to the 470s. I mean, maybe. Let me switch over to the 5-minute here. What is it? What in the world? Okay. Get out of there. Goodness. You can long stop 200. Yeah. We'll see, Alito. I don't know. I'll look at it in a minute. You had to put it up the minis for the day. Dude, this is crazy. This is insane. Like, I was up on that trade 30 points. I didn't take any profit. And I got stopped out for a 14-point loss. That's insane. And, like, I mean, that wasn't like a few, you know, a minute or two stop out. That was like seconds stopped out. Just in seconds. Just crazy. Excuse me. This thing is just ripping. I mean, with this volatility, it's just insanity right now. For sure. For sure. $470. Yeah, probably. Probably. What up, Gold Chest? I might take this, guys. I'm in. Come on. Go down. Fucker. I mean, sweet girl. Sweet girl! Sweet girl! Oh shit, I'm still in the trade. Close. Woo! What? What the fuck happened right there? Did it tag me into a long? You gotta be fucking kidding me. I think this thing tagged me into a long on all my fucking accounts. You gotta be fucking kidding me, guys. This motherfucker tagged me into a long on all my accounts. Oh, fuck. I am mad as hell. It's not Apex, Alito. It has nothing to do with Apex. That's the trade copier, 100%. It's the fucking trade copier. So I'm guessing when it pushed back up here, it tagged me out of some of the positions or something. I don't know. When I marked it in, it must have pushed back up and tagged me into a long. Because there would have been a buy order sitting here for my stop. The thing is, normally I hear beeps when that happens and I can look, and I heard nothing. Nothing happened. I mean, yeah, that was close to my stop. My stop's 15 points. That's 14.5 points. Not only did it tag me into a long, it tagged me into a long, and then by the time I exited, we're all the way down here. So instead of taking a $300 loss, which is my risk, I now took a $600 loss, which is double my risk because it tagged me into a long. And it did it on every account, except for the lead account. Every account is now down $600. Yeah, I'm pissed. So the only account that took the proper trade is my Bulenox, took $300. And then Take Profit Trader Pro account took $300. So we did get that one across the daily payout level. But that just pisses me off. Like, how does that shit happen? It's so, man, it's dirty as hell, man. That is dirty as hell. That's crazy. Well, John, I guess I could be looking at it wrong because, I mean, hell, it is only Apex's accounts that are red, right? I mean, Apex accounts are the ones that are red. Every other account is green. I mean, every other account is in the green. Which the only accounts I have on there is a single Bulenox because this one's waiting on payout. And then that one doesn't copy. And then one Take Profit Trader Pro. So the Take Profit Trader and the Bulenox copied correctly, but the Apex one somehow I got tagged into a long instead of a short. I have no idea how that happens. I mean, let's go over to the Apex connection and look at the executions. So you can see exactly what happened here. Okay, so it actually stopped me out here. I mean, like, I don't understand how I get stopped out there 18 points. My stop's at 15. Okay, so maybe you got some slippage. And then when it hit the TP, it put me into a long. So, I mean, this tells you this is, I mean, it's a copier issue, right? Let's compare this to take profit traders executions. So on Take Profit Trader, we just took a straight 15-point winner. I mean, the pullback there says 13.75. The entry's at 325.25. Go back to Apex and see what our entry was. $321.25, so a 2-point difference on the entry. $321.50. $321.50. See, I really don't understand how Apex accounts have 2-point difference on the entry when these are the, I mean, like the Bulenox is the lead, followed by, I mean, if we look at the copier, the Bulenox is the lead, followed by all the Apex, and then Take Profit Traders are all the way down here at the bottom. I don't know, man. That pisses me off. I'm super pissed off about that. Oh. Tom Sabo sabotage? Yeah. Will you be able to get it corrected? No, Bart. They're not going to do anything about that. They're just going to say that it's, you know, volatility. Yeah, I have, well, I don't have it split up, but I mean, I have this pulled up. So the reason I knew that I was in an opposite position is because none of the positions went away. But while I'm managing the trade, I can't really have my eyes on this. So as soon as it closes, my eye immediately goes up there. And I saw that I was in a long position. So I don't know. Yeah, they're not going to fix it. I'm just going to have to eat a $600 loss on a day where I had, and like this is the most tilting thing ever. I got to eat a $600 loss on a day when I should have had a $300 winner. So you're looking at a $900 swing. So instead of this account being at $2,000 in profit, it's at $1,000, right? And that's across the board. You know, that one would have been at $1,500. Instead, it's at $430. These down here at the bottom would have been almost at payout on today, because this one, yeah, would have been at like 2,200. So just annoying, just furious. So very, very pissed off about that. That's why I don't like entering on the close. Like I literally entered on the close there. I didn't give it a little bit of time to pull back. But this candle is so, I mean, that's such a big candle, such a bearish candle that, you know, you just think it just goes. Oh, come on. Oh, and now it just pushed right through the 50. All right. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, they're not going to correct it, Bart. They're just going to say volatility. Oh man, I'm so annoyed. So just the most tilting thing in the world right there, guys, right there. Yeah, you can trade yacht, but just make sure it doesn't go below your payout there. So, but what I'm gonna have to do, I got to go hands off. I can't take any more trades on that. I can't allow myself to do that. We don't want to blow those accounts. Let's look at the positives. You know, that's all we can do here. We did make it to daily payout on the Take Profit Trader account. So that account, assuming we have a win tomorrow, we could take a daily payout on. right? So we did make it to daily payout there, and then this Bulenox account is only $500 away from a payout. So let's look at the positives. You know, we'll keep grinding on the Apex accounts. It is 2 more trades, so it sets me back 2 trades when we only should be 1.5 trade away from payout. That is frustrating as hell. But, you know, blame volatility. We should. So tough. I mean, I had a sniper entry there. Yes, it pulled back. I mean, because of the slippage, you know, it did hit the stop on these accounts because of the slippage. Obviously, we entered a couple of points up. Slippage got us. I don't know. It's all right. It's all right. I'm okay. I'm all right. I've you know, I'm going to accept it and just move on from there. That's all we can do. So, just going to accept it and move on. But man, that's frustrating as hell, though. It really, really is. You nail it, and then it nails you. Oh, piece of shit. You guys know I don't normally cuss like that on the stream, but I'm mad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm mad. I'm pissed off about that. You're supposed to be green 300 and you're down 6? What is this? What is this? I was going to go back and watch the replay right quick. I was going to watch the replay. Where did I enter this trade at? Let me see here. All right, I'm going to watch the replay here. Let's watch it. Just, you know. Just to stick it in us one more time here. Let's see if we can't get this full screen. Let's watch it again. So let's move this over so we can see. Oh, wait. Why does it won't let me play it? What's going on here? So I want to watch my... It's not letting me play it. I don't know, it's just spinning. Oh, here we go. So I'm in here. I mean, it did come back. It came back. I didn't like where my stop was. It was right back at the entry. Maybe I should have waited on a... I usually try to wait for a little retest there. I was trying to see the P&L. I don't know. It's not going to let me see it. It's fine. Oh, well. Buffering on your end? Maybe something's going on with the internet. On the account that won, how close did it come to your stop? 2 points, John. On the account that won, it had a better entry. So, like, let's look at Take Private Trader. The Take Private Trader account here that won... It came, so remember we have a 15-point stop. So our entry is here, 325.50, and the pullback was, wait, right there, 14 points. So it came within 1 point, 4 ticks of the stop. And then let's look at the Bulenox. And on Bulenox, 325.50. And it came within 2 ticks of the stop. On the other accounts, it just hit the stop. I don't know. It's not even a matter of if it hit the stop or not. If it hit the stop, I wouldn't be near as mad. The problem is it hit the stop. It hits the stop, and then it puts me into a long right here. That's the problem. That long cost me an additional $300. If it hit the stop on some and not on the others, I would accept that. But, like, you know, costing me the extra $300. Yeah, I'll do that, John. Yeah, I agree, ICT. So anyways. Boom, boom, boom. Pull the trade logs. I guess I could. You're like an out up 1,500 per. Funded. Let's go. I hate weeks. Nice job. So anyways, let's turn the copier off. Let's make sure we don't take any more trades on that. I will take trades on my fundeds over here. What are they? Tradeify fundeds. And I'm going to take a trade on my eval from day traders. From day traders. See if we get a push through the 90 here. Should be able to hit back through that. Push back through that low there. Let's see. Just waiting here. All right. Maxie's barking. I don't know what he's doing over there. Love the Stock Tiger show. Stock Tiger, good morning. Yeah, Stock Tiger, you're too late. We didn't get the luck earlier. We didn't get the luck. I've not had any problems with the copier all that much lately, guys. Like, I'm usually able to pick up the copier issues pretty quickly. But, yeah, it just doesn't happen. I mean, today, you know. All right, I need to lose a little bit of money on the Day Traders number 8 account. We did also make, on the Day Traders account, we're up $15.68. I need to lose $68 here. So that's what we're going to do is just... I made money there. Okay, how do I do that? Just buy, sell. Yes, perfect. Done, done. So got that down to $14.90. Maxicam, yeah, we need a Maxicam. Yeah, I wanted to get a Maxicam, but when it's volatile, see if it clinches. I'm in Georgia. Oh, you didn't have an overnight trade? Nice. You're still short in real life or on the markets? Yeah. I think we go down. Let's see here. I mean, we got the pivot point down there at the 150. Seems like it wants to be touched. I don't know. Hit the like button. Let's go. The copier messed up. Yeah, the copier messed up stock. Is what it is. The copier did me no favors. Oh, guys. I did that again. I can't believe I did that. Oh, well. I took a trade on the wrong account. Oh, goodness. All right. I took a trade on the wrong account there. You ever did that? I did that. Push it back up there, 207s. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I mean, I caught some of it. I caught what I wanted, but then unfortunately, it caught me on some of them. Look at the 5-minute here. Kind of an engulfing candle there. Does it retest the overnight low at 260 here? Kind of looking like that's what it wants to do, right? Bulenox F'd me. Entries and exits were delayed. Stop didn't trigger. Hitting flat. Yeah, I don't know, Mad Moxie. I didn't have a problem with Bulenox today. I had a problem with the other accounts, but I don't know. Has more traps than Thailand. Yeah, probably true. Probably right. That was loud. Got myself 2 Burberry polos. Oh, goodness. I didn't quite get back to the 260s there. Holding the 200s here. Let's get back over here to the 1 minute. All right, kind of trying to push back through the lows here. Let's see if it will. ES hanging out at the lows right there. All right, just took a nice little winner there on my Tradeify accounts. Nice little short winner. Got us up 377 on those two. I don't know what the anybody have any idea what the consistency rule is on the Tradeify accounts? I have no clue. Chicago paper is supposed to be limited to 4K users. Oh, really? 35. No, it's not straight to funded. This is a yeah, I was short. This is a eval that I passed and turned into a funded account. It was a, what was it called? From Tradeify. This account was one that they had on sale for $50 the other week, or last month. So it's the one that still has, okay, so it's an advanced account. So let me see what the thing is on it. Does it tell you? $35% on the advanced. Day traders, because Leo's experienced, they already have their own rhythmic servers. Look at this thing go. These downside targets are just ripping through there. Huh. Anyways, I feel better now, guys. I took a couple minutes there, you know. Still took more trades, but took a couple minutes to calm down there. Just annoyance. This lower hit bear market is done, maybe. Still got some levels down here that I got marked out, but you never know, right? Guys, I don't know, man. I'm still burned up about that. I'm going to try my best to just let it go and not even talk about it all that much. But, man. I am not happy. Tom Sabo is responsible. He is. Damn you, Tom Sabo. $100 away from 20K. Yeah, seems like. I mean, it's definitely bearish. We came into the day thinking the market would go down, but like, so we had the draw correct. We had the direction correct. You kind of got these wicks left down here. And then your next level down is a pretty good ways away, another 200 or 300 points. So it'll probably ease through these. Yeah, I'm starting to ease through them now. Little psychological level bounce maybe at the 21,000 here, and then 20,000 follow. Or 20,100. Got you 200 points. Let's go. Nice job, Francis. Last time we were this back was 1031. Yeah, this far down. Oh, man, guys. That's the most frustrating thing in the world. Set me back 2 days there. I mean, at the end of the day, it's 2 days, right? It's kind of how I have to look at it. At the end of the day, it's 2 days. It's not it's not that big a deal. But in real time, it feels like a big deal. I mean, I don't know why, but it does. So, yeah, I mean, well, we've been bullish for a long time. The market's just kind of just been going up. Aside from that 1,000 point pullback that we had that one time that we fully retraced in 3 or 4 days, you know, the market's pretty much just kind of been going up constant, you know, just kind of a constant grind up there. I mean, let's look at the yearly on the daily. I mean, just the daily on the yearly. I mean, just, you know, if we can select the marker, I mean, it's just up. That pullback that we kind of retraced and now pulling back in there. So kind of makes sense. Maybe it wants to get back into that 600 range. We'll see. Possibly. We've given everything we made since August. Yeah. All right. Get that RC Cola and Three Musketeers, Predator. RC Cola and Three Musketeers. So, guys, I hate to leave you guys like this at 10:22 in the morning, but I did not sleep well last night, and because of the reality that what happened there, I think I want to just walk away and not even give myself, I'm going to close the computer completely. I don't even want to give myself an inkling of trying to press this button again. So, Bulenox should pay out 10K, Richard, as far as I know. Now, guys, do remember, if you want to help support the channel, Apex's sale does end tonight. I think I'm going to go ahead and top myself off. I'm probably going to buy 20 more evals to try to top me off at 20 fundeds. You know, we'll just hedge them 10 one way, 10 the other. Hopefully we pass. So, still got the 91% off Bulenox. Again, we don't know what Apex's sale is going to be tomorrow. Maybe they extend it. That would be nice, but we have no idea what they're going to do. Remember, Take Profit Trader is 30% off, and they did do away with the activation fee, which is awesome. 25% off the Starter Plus account with My Funded Futures. And Day Traders, I think, is 80% off, right? That's it. Release my stress. For an old man like you, it should just take less than a minute. Maybe. I'm not stressed. I'm just annoyed, just pissed off. That's all. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. So we are ending the day up on these accounts, 377 each. I copy traded. Well, let's just make sure they did copy. Yeah, they did. So 377 each on these. Yeah. And then 300 on the Bulenox account. Obviously we're down 600 on every Apex. But 300 on the Bulenox account, so we're $500 away from payout there. And then the good news is, Take Profit Trader, we did hit the daily payout level. So going forward, if we can make 250 in a day, which our target's 300, so for every winning day, we'll be able to take a payout. So that's good news. So hopefully tomorrow we can make 295 on this account, and we can take out whatever, 250, whatever it is after the split. So that's going to do it for me today, guys. I'm going to shut the computer down, and we will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate you guys watching and all the support.